Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a simple PHP server on termux. First, I open termux. Next, I give two commands at once. We can execute any number of commands in one line using ampersand mark twice between each commands. The two commands I'm executing here are pkg update and pkg upgrade. These commands are used to update our termux packages. Here you can see 9 upgrades are available. I enter Y for yes. The upgrade has been started now. The time taken for updating is depending on your network speed. Now all the updating process have been finished. Now I am clearing the terminal using command clear. Now I need a package called PHP. So I am using the command pkg install PHP. You can install any available package using this command pkg install. As I have already installed it, it shows me the package is currently updated. Now I am going to start the PHP server. The command is php-s, IP address of the host and port number. The IP address I am using here is localhost because we are hosting our website locally. It means we can access our web page through the devices that are connected in our same network. For example, same Wi-Fi. I am choosing the port number as 4040. Okay, now our server has been started successfully. You can see it in the terminal. The URL also shown up here, URL for our website. Let's open our browser and access the page. Just type localhost :4040. Here we can see a message: the requested resource / was not found in this server. Let me explain you. When we accessing a website, the browser will send a request to the server. That request is like, send me the special file which is named index.html. If the file is available, server will send it to browser and the contents of the HTML file would be shown in browser. This is the general scenario happening in the background whenever we access any website. In our termux, there is no index.html file available where the server is running. Shall we create a file there and check the output? Before that, let's check the terminal again. Can you see there are more messages than before? Look at the accept message. It shows that browser successfully accessed the server. There is a get request also. Do you see the status code shown in the square brackets? Yes, it's 4 not 4. Do you remember sometimes you entering a website and see nothing but 4 not 4 error? Yes, can you relate it? So we can understand 4 not 4 error means the requested resource is not found in the server. So let's create a simple HTML file. For that I am opening a new session in termux. I am using Nano text editor, which is simple and built-in text editor in termux. The command is nano space and the file name. Our file name is index.html. This is the editor interface. This HTML code just print the text working in the display, browser display. I am serving it by entering ctrl with S and exiting the editor by entering ctrl with X. Let's check it's working or not in our browser. Now I am refreshing the page. Yes, we have successfully hosted our website locally. Let's go to the server session on termux. Now you are able to see that the status code is 200 instead of 404. So you can understand the status code 200 means the requested resource is found in the server, which is index.html that we have created just now, and the contents were shown in the browser as you have seen just now.